In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group tasks by priority in Wrike. If you're managing a lot of tasks in Wrike, it can quickly become overwhelming to see everything in one long list. Grouping your tasks by priority is a simple way to bring order to that chaos, so you can immediately see what needs your attention first, what can wait, and what's lower on the list. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through how to do that, step by step, using Wrike's built-in grouping options. First, make sure you're in the correct view where grouping is available, such as the list view or a similar task view in Wrike. Once your tasks are visible on the screen, look toward the top of the task list area. You'll see a control that lets you change how your tasks are organized. This might appear as a drop-down or a label that says something like Group By, or simply shows the current grouping setting. To begin grouping by priority, click on the group option above your task list. This is the control that determines how tasks are visually organized into sections. When you click it, Wrike will display a menu of different ways you can group your tasks. Common options might include grouping by status, assignee, folder, or in this case, priority. From this menu, look for the option labeled Priority. Go ahead and click on Priority. As soon as you select it, Wrike will automatically rearrange your task list. Instead of one continuous list, your tasks will now be separated into clear priority sections. For example, you may see them grouped into high, medium, and low priority, depending on how you've set priorities in your workspace. Take a moment to scroll through the view and get familiar with the new layout. You should see each priority level acting like its own mini list, making it much easier to focus on what matters most. If you ever change priorities on a specific task, Wrike will update its position in this grouped view automatically. If you'd like to switch back to a different organization method later, just click on that same group option above and choose another grouping, like status or assignee. But whenever you want to focus your day around what's most urgent, simply set the grouping back to priority. And that's all you need to do to group tasks by priority in Wrike, helping you stay organized and focused on the right work at the right time.